The rice paper plant, my fascination with Tetrapanax. As a botanist, I've always been drawn to the unique and intriguing in the plant world. Lately, I've found myself captivated by the genus Tetrapanax, belong to the Araliaceae family, a fascinating group of plants with an interesting history and a striking presence. A singular species. While Tetrapanax might sound like it encompasses a wide variety of species, it actually contains only one, Tetrapanax papyrifer. This evergreen shrub, commonly known as the rice paper plant, is native to Taiwan but has been cultivated throughout East Asia for centuries. It's easy to see why this plant has captured the attention of gardeners and botanists alike. With its large, lobed leaves that resemble those of a palm tree and its towering height, reaching up to 20 feet, Tetrapanax papyrifer makes a bold statement in any landscape. But its beauty is not just skin deep. The plant has a rich history and a unique characteristic that sets it apart from other flora. The paper maker. The name rice paper plant is a bit of a misnomer. The paper derived from this plant isn't actually made from rice. Instead, it's created from the plant's pith, the soft, spongy tissue found inside the stems. This pith is carefully extracted, sliced into thin sheets, and then pressed and dried to create a smooth, delicate paper. This rice paper has been used for centuries in East Asia for a variety of purposes, including calligraphy, painting, and even creating artificial flowers. Its delicate texture and subtle sheen make it a prized material for artists and craftspeople. More than just paper. While Tetrapanax papyrifer is best known for its role in papermaking, it has also been used for other purposes. In traditional Chinese medicine, the plant is believed to have medicinal properties and has been used to treat a variety of ailments, including inflammation and skin conditions. The plant's large leaves also provide an attractive source of shade in gardens and landscapes. Its rapid growth and ability to tolerate a range of conditions make it a popular choice for gardeners looking to add a tropical touch to their outdoor spaces. A resilient survivor. One of the things that I find most fascinating about Tetrapanax papyrifer is its resilience. This plant is a survivor. It can tolerate a wide range of growing conditions, from full sun to partial shade, and can even withstand drought conditions. It's also relatively pest and disease-free, making it a low-maintenance option for gardeners. This hardiness is likely due to the plant's ability to spread through rhizomes, underground stems that send up new shoots. This allows the plant to quickly colonize an area and makes it difficult to eradicate once established. In some areas, it's even considered an invasive species. My personal connection. My interest in Tetrapanax papyrifer goes beyond its botanical characteristics. As someone with an appreciation for art and history, I'm fascinated by the plant's cultural significance and its role in traditional crafts. I've experimented with making my own rice paper from the plant's pith, a process that requires patience and precision. The experience gave me a newfound respect for the artisans who have been creating this delicate material for centuries. Looking ahead. As I continue my exploration of the plant world, I'm excited to learn more about Tetrapanax papyrifer and its potential uses. I believe this plant has much to offer, both in terms of its aesthetic beauty and its practical applications. Whether it's used for papermaking, medicine, or simply to add a touch of the exotic to a garden, Tetrapanax papyrifer is a plant that deserves our attention and admiration. It's a testament to the resilience of nature and a reminder of the interconnectedness between plants and people.